don't suffer any immediate financial needs. So important. The two policies are different. So for life, yes, you can have multiple life insurance.
How many do you have? You should have like
Currently,
27.
I have 4. 4 and still counting.
And still counting.
Yes.
Interesting.
Yes.
So I know there are different types of life insurance policies that each insurance company offers. So can I buy like maybe one that is linked with child education and then buy another one that is linked with the investment with, let's say, another company? Is that doable?
You can perfectly do that. So you can buy your educational policy from one company. You could buy your investment linked policy from another company. No law stops you from doing that. You just have to assess the policy and see whether it meets your needs. All the policies across the various providers are actually not the same. The main motive is the same, but it could vary in terms. So look at your needs, assess your needs, and say, okay, fine, I'm buying this from company A, I'm getting the other one because my needs are different, I'm getting it from company B. But you could also happen that you have all your needs met by one provider. You are allowed to get your insurance needs from that one provider.
Wouldn't that be putting all your eggs in one basket?
You should always look at where you're getting your cover from. And I'm proud to say that in Ghana, we are regulated by the National Insurance Commission. And so for an insurance company, a life insurance company to be operating, they actually have some basic requirements and they are supervised to ensure that whatever they are giving you and the promises they are giving you, we actually deliver on it. So it depends. You don't really have to struggle to put your policies in one place. We have other risk management mechanisms to actually spread our risk. So you shouldn't fear at all that you're putting it in one place or you are spreading it. Whatever it is very fine. Yes, it is.
Since you talk about the regulator at NIC, what's really the insurance law's position on this, for want of a better expression, free for all financial arrangements?
Yeah, so as individuals, as I've already said, you need a life insurance cover if your death will hurt someone, a loved one. Life insurance, it's like a love product, just like you go for chocolates and all that. You love your life, you love the people, you take care of your dependents, and so you are eager to get some form of protection for them. Luckily or fortunately for us in Ghana, the regulator doesn't bar anybody from taking any life insurance. So you are free to go to any company that is licensed to acquire your life insurance cover. You don't have any restrictions at all. Nobody can compel you, as it were, to take a life insurance cover from company A or company B. It's a free market, and it is very good to have life insurance cover. It is.
So what happens to all the policies? You have 10, 15 life insurance policies, and then the one who has the policy is gone too soon. Of course, they passed on. The next of kin isn't going to have court issues, or they will just be reaping benefits.
Not at all. You know, as an industry, we haven't really trumpeted our achievements so well. The insurance industry in Ghana pays claims, and we pay a lot of claims swiftly. We don't delay in paying or giving what we promise our customers. And so, no, there's not going to be any hassle at all. Every policy has the terms and conditions, the things that you are required to provide in the event of a death to prove your case. And so, whether it is a death, it is an educational policy, whatever it is, we as insurers, we honor our claim. And so, no, next of kin is not going to have any challenge at all with making a claim. And if for any reason at all, I can't think of one, but if for any reason at all you're a customer and you think you haven't been treated fairly, there are avenues to address this. You can actually go to the complaints unit of the Ghana Insurance Association. We have a complaints unit. We also have the National Insurance Commission. They are freely available. Walk to any of them. But I tell you, we are paying claims as an industry.
The GIA says insurance companies' claims payment is our business. Well, good stuff. I think I'm totally convinced now that I need a little bit more than one. Yeah.
You certainly do.
You have four. I have to catch up. I have to catch up before you move on.
I'm actually selling you some policies before I leave here.
That sounds good.
It is.
That sounds good.
It
Okay.
is.
Now, what advice do you have for people who have more than one life insurance policy?
It's a good thing. It's a good thing to have various life insurance covers that meet your needs. And our needs change from time to time. So our advice, if you have a policy, in fact, my advice goes to everybody, whether you have a life insurance policy or not, you should take up one. If you don't have a life insurance policy, please go out now and get yourself a policy. Your life is valuable. And for those who have multiples, it is good for you to maintain your premium payments. Make sure you're paying your premiums regularly. And also take the pain and take the time to review your cover periodically. Your needs change, as I've already said. So make sure that periodically you're going to your insurer to check what cover it is that you have, what you can change, what you can, so it's very, very, very important. And lastly, I will say that you should seek advice.
Okay.
Seek advice on your policies. Speak to the insurance company. Speak to the chartered. Speak to anybody. Speak to the brokers. We have a lot of professional brokers, in the system.
Okay.
Duly registered. Speak to them about your financial needs as far as life insurance is concerned. It's very, very important.
Well, it is very good. And now we are convinced that we need more than one life policy. And I'm sure you can get that from Allianz Life Insurance Ghana Limited.
I like the way you've mentioned our name correctly.
I'm a good learner, am I not?
Thank you.
Thank you for teaching me. So tell us a little bit more about Allianz Life.
Okay, so at Allianz Life, we find every reason to pay your claims. We exist to pay claims. And as a group, the Allianz Group has existed since 1890. So we are 130-year-old company.
You're old.
We are old and solid in terms of finance, in terms of everything.
Who's your next of kin?
Come consult our succession planning. Yes, and so being in the Allianz Life brand has been in Ghana for just 2 years, but as Allianz, we've been in Ghana for 10 years.
Okay.
And we are paying claims. Lexus, our clients and customers are very happy. We have actually done under 2 years. And guess what? We have paid so far 1.9 million in claims. And so we are not joking.
Yeah.
We are not joking. We are actually honoring our promise, and we exist to pay claims. And our customer experience is phenomenal. Our onboarding, our claims process, we actually deliver the value we have promised our clients. So go onto our social media pages. You will see our customers with several testimonials. It is real. Allianz Life. We've come to stay, and we've come to provide life insurance cover.
Mrs.
No forms and
Dzifa
shapes.
Fiati.
Hello, Lexus. Our next
You're
customer.
awesome. Yes. I'm coming on board. Totally.
Thank
This is
you.
something
You're most welcome.
I'd love to. Thank you so much.
In
for
Allianz, we say we are your companion for exploring life.
Okay.
So you're welcome to
That's
explore
good.
life with us.
Hey, see the one anyway is smiling like that. Okay, all right, that sounds good. Let's explore life together. Thank you so much, Mrs. Dzifa Fiati. She's Group Head, Corporate Business, Allianz Life Insurance Ghana Limited. She's been telling us about why you need more than one life insurance policy. And if you need clarity on any of the issues, you can call the Ghana Insurance Association Claims Management and Advice Bureau on 0800 442,000. And the team would see to you. Thank you so much, Dzifa.
Thank you, Lexus.
Great having you. Stay tuned in. I've got more for you here on Drive Time on Joy.